Okay, good morning, class 10. So we are moving with trigonometry, okay? We are moving with trigonometry. This word has come from two Latin words. Trigon. Trigon means triangular region, and matrices means measurement. So it deals with measurements of triangles. So in this chapter, though this is a totally new chapter for you, new topic. So trigonometry deals with right-angled triangle. Let us suppose ABC is a right triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and you have got two acute angles. A and C are acute angles. So in any right triangle, one angle will be 90 degree and other two angles will be acute, isn't it? So let us imagine A is the acute angle. We identify A as one of the acute angles. Though C is also acute, we are considering A, suppose. So if you take A, then AB is the adjacent side of the angle. AB is adjacent side of the angle and BC is the opposite side. BC is the opposite side and AC is your hypotenuse. Your hypotenuse is fixed. Your hypotenuse is fixed. It's the opposite of 90 degree. Okay. If you consider C to be the acute angle, then AB will be the opposite side, BC will be the adjacent sides. So ultimately in a right triangle, we have three sides. One is opposite to the acute angle, then adjacent to the acute angle and hypotenuse. Isn't it? Now with the help of these three sides, let us have some ratios. It's comparison. Say opposite by hypotenuse. So this is one ratio. Then you can have adjacent by hypotenuse, isn't it? Then you can have opposite by adjacent. Then you can have adjacent by opposite. Yes, you can have hypotenuse. You can have hypotenuse by adjacent and hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, so you get six different ratios. Yes, one is opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent, adjacent by opposite, hypotenuse by adjacent and hypotenuse by opposite. So six different ratios you got from the right triangle. Now these ratios are given name, which we called as trigonometric ratio. Okay, so when it is opposite by hypotenuse, you say this is sine of the angle. So we have considered A, so I am writing sine of angle A. Adjacent by hypotenuse, you say cosine. Opposite by adjacent, you say tangent. Adjacent by opposite, you say cotangent. Hypotenuse by adjacent, you say secant. And hypotenuse by opposite, you say cosecant. So these six different names we have to remember. Otherwise trigonometry will be difficult. Okay, so when you say sine, then you understand it is the ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse. When you say cosine, it is the ratio between adjacent and hypotenuse. When you say tangent, it is the ratio between opposite and adjacent. When you say cotangent, it is adjacent by opposite, secant, hypotenuse by adjacent, cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, so these six names may have been converted as, you have given a short name. So this you say as SIN. Though you write SIN, but the pronunciation remains sine. Next one, this is cos. Cosine, we say cos. Tangent, you say tan. Cotangent, you say cot. Secant, you say sec. And cosecant, you say as cosec. So these 6 names we are to remember. So what you have to do, make a small chart, okay, small one, where you write these ratios and place it in your study table, so that initially you can understand when somebody says tan, so you understand what you're talking about. It is the ratio between opposite and adjacent. Cot, it is adjacent by opposite, and so on. Okay, so these 6 names we have to remember. All right. For example, say this is a triangle. This is suppose 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Suppose ABC is the triangle. Okay, and you are asked what is sine A over here. So sine A will be what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So it will be 3 by 5. If you are told sine C, now they said sine C. Sine means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So they are talking about C. So then this AB will be your opposite side. So sine C will be 4 by 5. Cos A, adjacent by hypotenuse. So your adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Tan A, opposite by adjacent. Okay? Am I clear? So first, what you do, make a chart, and the sums are easy. So if you make the chart, and then a triangle will be given to you. Directly, indirectly, they will give you 2 sides. Say for example, this sum only, they told you like this. This is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Now they told you find sine A. Now if you want to go for sine A, so you should know the hypotenuse. So you can apply Pythagoras theorem to find AC. So here it will be AC. First of all, you should know what is AC over here. The unknown side you have to find out. So to find unknown side, the easy process is Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is 3 square plus 4 square. So AC square will be 9 plus 16. So AC square is 25. AC will be 5. So you got your AC. Now whatever they ask. Understood? Okay. So first step, please make a chart of this trigonometric ratio. Okay. So next we'll proceed with the exercise. So first job, make the chart. Yes? Okay. Thank you.